Hello, friends! In the last and the final episode of our Hampi series, Safar Ki Anka explores few more heritage sites at Hampi, which are not only beautiful but has historical and spiritual significance. We saw one of the oldest operating temples of Hampi, Virupaksha, in the earlier episode. Just opposite to that, a spacious 750-meter long and 350-meter wide bazaar is situated to the east of Virupaksha temple. This lane is running up to the foot of the Matanga hillock. At the eastern end, there are two-storied pillar mandapa and a massive well-executed monolithic bull. Monolithic bull or Nandi is the mount of Lord Shiva, and it's symbolic that this one faces the Shiva shrine, that is the Virupaksha temple, located at the opposite end of the street, about a kilometer from this. A flight of steps along the left side of the Nandi pavilion leads you to the Achyutaraya temple, located across the hill. Another way to reach the temple is from the Kodandarama temple, which leads you to the main tower of Achyutaraya temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Tiruvengalanatha, a form of Lord Vishnu. Achyutaraya temple complex and the ruined market street in front of it sit in a semi-scheduled valley. Partially due to its off location from the main tourist track and the hidden nature of the temple's location makes this place less crowded. Between two rectangular concentric courtyards is the main shrine located. The inner wall of the courtyard are lined with pillared veranda. The outside pillars are mostly in ruins, where pillars are almost scattered along the walls. Two ruined towers welcome you into the temple courtyard. The towers, pillars, and the walls have exquisite carvings and ornamentation. Major part of the temple are in damaged condition. A close look at the carvings on the pillars in the hall can reveal many themes from the mythology. Although it is in ruins, the temple doesn't fail in its grandiosity and its magnificence even today. It is from this temple you can spot the Kishkinda Parbat, which is located in Hippie Island. Achyutaraya Bazaar is the widest of the bazaar, known as Achyutaraya Pet, with a series of mandapas on the either sides of the central pathway. According to the inscriptions, the market was held on every Tuesday. Towards the northern end of Achyutaraya Pet is the holy step tank with a mandapa in the center. This tank forms a part of Achyutaraya temple and was used during the festivities. A pathway along the river up to Kodandarama temple is said to have been laid by Kampabhupa, son of King Harihara. This pathway is still being used by the tourists to reach the Chakratirtha and Kodandarama temple. Kodandarama temple is more known for its religious importance than for its architectural peculiarity. Myth says this is the place where Rama killed Vali and crowned Sugriva. Three tall statues of Rama, Sita and Lakshmana are enclosed in this sanctum. A unique thing to experience in this ancient town is to enjoy a coracle ride on the waters of the river Tungabhadra. A coracle is a circular-shaped country boat that can carry about 6 to 8 people on a single trip across the river. These coracle boats have been used in Hampi since the time of Vijayanagara Empire. We hope you enjoyed our episodes on Hampi in this special Hampi series. Stay tuned to Safar Ki Anka while we bring you more such exciting content. See you soon.